The Alliant Energy Center may increase its on-site vaccinations tenfold in the coming weeks. That's if the federal government chooses it as one of 100 vaccination sites, part of an initiative from President Biden. Madeline O'Neill is live with what we can expect and how public health officials are ramping up their efforts in the meantime. Maddie?
Well, we've definitely been out here at the Alliant Energy Center a lot during the pandemic as it's taken on a major role, not only with testing all these months, but now vaccinating. Since the end of December, public health officials have vaccinated more than 9,000 people here in Dane County eligible for the vaccine here at the center, and the county hopes its role will only grow.
It's really turned into one of the central facilities for our COVID response.
At the Alliant Energy Center, efforts have expanded from testing to vaccinating, with Public Health, Madison, and Dane County giving 500 to 600 doses to eligible people a day.
It is a really grand undertaking to immunize so many individuals.
That number could be 6,000 daily if the county's application to become a federal vaccination site is chosen, as they vie to be one of 2 regional sites in the state.
We do know that we have the perfect infrastructure there, specifically the pavilions that we built about a half dozen years ago. That was a great investment. They've come in very handy. What we do believe, if we're chosen, is that this would certainly be ramped up. There'd be a lot more personnel and a lot more folks going through there on a daily basis.
Whether or not the federal government takes over, public health officials are preparing to ramp up distribution at the center.
It takes quite a few resources, and logistically there's a lot of pieces that go into COVID vaccine distribution, so it's a lot of a balancing act all the time.
Public Health Madison and Dane County is looking to hire limited time employees to help with vaccination efforts.
We have the ability to scale up quite a bit.
Still, a lack of supply is holding them back. COVID vaccine deputy Tess Ellens is hopeful more doses will come their way so they can keep building their efforts.
Hopefully, in the coming weeks it will start to grow little by little.
Parisi is cautiously optimistic about the application to the federal government for the Alliant Energy Center to become a regional vaccination site. He says we should get an answer within the next few weeks, and then operations could be up and running by the end of March.
All right, Maddie O'Neill live tonight. Maddie, thank you.